If you're over 60 and suddenly feel tingling in your fingers, stiffness in your knees, or weakness in your legs, you're not alone. And no, it's not just old age. This could be a silent warning that your body's collagen is rapidly breaking down. But here's the good news. Nature has given us powerful vegetables that can rebuild what time tries to take away. In this video, we reveal 8 powerful veggies that help restore your joints, nerves, and energy, ranked from helpful to absolutely essential. Stick around till number 3, because that one was shown to reduce nerve pain by up to 40% in weeks. Vegetable 8. Green peas. Don't underestimate the humble green pea. Often pushed aside on dinner plates, peas are actually packed with lysine, a crucial amino acid your body needs to produce collagen. After 60, our ability to make collagen drops dramatically, but lysine helps reverse that. It strengthens connective tissues, supports muscle tone, and even improves calcium absorption for stronger bones. Bonus: peas are rich in vitamin K, a nutrient that keeps calcium in your bones instead of clogging up your joints. Add them to soups or stews, or simply steam and season for a quick side. Sometimes, the simplest veggies have the most unexpected power. Vegetable 7. Sweet potato. You may love sweet potatoes for their taste, but did you know they protect your collagen network too? Rich in beta-carotene, which converts into vitamin A, sweet potatoes help regulate collagen-producing genes. That means firmer skin, more resilient joints, and less wear and tear in your knees and hips. Plus, sweet potatoes are packed with manganese, which acts like a switch turning on collagen enzymes. Mash it, roast it, or even blend into a smoothie. You're not just feeding your stomach, but fueling your joints. Vegetable 6. Celery. Stiffness in your wrists? Tingling fingers while texting? Celery might be your secret weapon. This crunchy stalk is loaded with silicon, a trace mineral most people over 60 don't get enough of. Silicon strengthens the collagen framework that supports cartilage and nerve sheaths. Without it, collagen becomes brittle, leading to joint pain and nerve irritation. Celery also acts as a mild diuretic, reducing water retention around inflamed joints. Add it to your salads or enjoy with hummus. It's not just for crunch, it's for protection. Vegetable 5. Turnip greens. It's often overshadowed by kale and spinach. Turnip greens are a collagen superfood, especially for older adults. They're rich in vitamin C, calcium, and glucosinolates, compounds that fight inflammation in joints and tissues. Turnip greens also support the production of proline, a key building block of collagen. A 2021 study found that seniors who regularly consumed cruciferous greens like turnip greens had better balance, stronger legs, and fewer falls. Steam them lightly or sauté with garlic, just don't boil the life out of them. Vegetable 4. Radish. Yes, radish. This spicy root veggie stimulates blood flow and supports detox pathways crucial for collagen regeneration. Radishes are rich in vitamin C, zinc, and sulfur, all necessary to rebuild connective tissues. Their natural compounds help clear out toxins that slow collagen repair and reduce inflammation that can worsen joint pain. Slice them into salads or roast them for a milder, sweeter flavor. If you're dealing with numb hands or cold feet, this might be your body's wake-up call for better circulation, and radishes could help. Vegetable 3. Mushrooms. Mushrooms, especially shiitake and maitake, are rich in copper, one of the most overlooked minerals needed for collagen synthesis. Without copper, your body can't form the proper structure of collagen strands. They also contain ergothioneine, a powerful antioxidant that protects nerves from oxidative damage. In one study, mushroom extracts helped reduce inflammation and nerve sensitivity by nearly 40% within weeks. Add them to stir-fries, soups, or grill them for a meaty texture. They're more than a flavor boost, they're joint protectors. Vegetable 2. Wakame seaweed. You might not have this in your pantry yet, but you should. Wakame, a type of seaweed, is rich in fucoidan, a unique compound that stimulates fibroblasts, the exact cells that produce collagen. It's also packed with iodine, zinc, and manganese, trace elements crucial for nerve repair and joint flexibility. Studies from Japan show that older adults consuming seaweed weekly experienced fewer signs of cartilage breakdown and better joint mobility. Use dried wakame in miso soup or sprinkle it over salads. This ocean veggie could be your new joint therapy. Vegetable 1 Dandelion greens. Yes, the same weed growing in your yard might be the #1 overlooked collagen restorer. Dandelion greens are a detox powerhouse loaded with vitamin C, iron, and luteolin, an anti-inflammatory compound that slows collagen degradation. They help your liver flush toxins that damage connective tissues, while also supporting the production of elastin, the sister protein to collagen that keeps joints flexible. A 2022 study showed that older adults who consumed dandelion extract had noticeable improvements in joint flexibility and hand strength. Add them to your smoothie, mix into a salad, or sauté with olive oil and lemon. This isn't a weed, it's your body's repair crew. Your body doesn't stop making collagen because you age. It stops because it runs out of the right materials. By adding just a few of these veggies each week, you can rebuild what time has broken, naturally. So, which symptom are you trying to fix? Tingling in the hands? Weak legs? Or stiff joints? Let us know in the comments. We respond to every single one. And don't forget, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss our next